Hello everyone, welcome to a personalized episode of Enlighten Me. Today we delve into the autonomous evolution of AI chatbots with Auto-GPT, explore strategic shifts in enterprise software sales amidst economic changes, and discuss the critical role of value connection in products like music apps. Join us as we unpack these compelling topics. Today, we're embarking on a journey to uncover the mysteries of Auto-GPT and its intriguing rise and fall. In a world captivated by the power of AI chatbots, ChatGPT stands out for its seamless user experience. Crafting prompts for these bots, however, requires some skill. Auto-GPT, a Python application developed by Significant Gravitas, builds upon the powerful GPT-4 foundation. What sets it apart is its ability to function independently without constant user prompts. It introduces the concept of AI agents, which enables the AI to tap into the internet and execute commands on a computer autonomously, without the need for continuous human intervention. Consider an example: Chef GPT, an application created using Auto-GPT. Imagine you need to plan a special event like Easter dinner and you want a unique recipe. With Auto-GPT, you can simply assign the task to Chef GPT. It will take it upon itself to scour the web, find the perfect recipe, and even save it to your computer, all without any further instructions from you. While these tasks may seem basic, Auto-GPT's ability to independently search the web and perform actions like saving files marks a significant departure from conventional chatbots. One of the most intriguing aspects of Auto-GPT is its ability to break down its actions into thoughts, reasoning, and criticism. This transparency in its decision-making process gives users a deeper understanding of what the AI is doing and why it's doing it. In the case of Chef GPT, its first thought was to search for upcoming events to find a suitable one for creating a unique recipe. The reasoning behind this action was that finding an upcoming event will help me come up with a relevant and exciting recipe. It's as if the AI is thinking through the problem, just like a human would. And its criticism function analyzes potential constraints or limitations, further showcasing its ability to function autonomously. But how does Auto-GPT compare to its more well-known sibling, ChatGPT? The key difference lies in autonomy. ChatGPT relies on human prompts to operate efficiently. For instance, if you wanted to plan a birthday party for your child, you would need to provide specific prompts for each step: theme, guest list, gifts, food, and decorations. ChatGPT can't move to the next task without a prompt. Auto-GPT, on the other hand, is a game changer. If you ask it to plan a birthday party, it will take charge, developing a theme, creating guest lists, sending out invitations, and even shopping for gifts, all without the need for you to micromanage each step. It's a significant shift in AI capability, and it's already being used in practical applications. In conclusion, Auto-GPT represents a groundbreaking development in the field of AI, offering the promise of AI agents capable of autonomously navigating the internet and performing tasks on a computer. Its ability to generate its own prompts and act independently has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with AI, as demonstrated by the example of Chef GPT planning a unique Easter recipe. With features like long and short-term memory and text-to-speech capabilities, Auto-GPT brings us closer to human-like interactions with AI. However, as we delve deeper into the intriguing rise and fall of Auto-GPT, we'll explore the drawbacks and challenges that led to its ultimate demise. Stay tuned for Part 2, where we will uncover the reasons behind this promising concept's failure and the lessons it holds for the future of AI. And now, pivot our discussion towards learn entrepreneurship. What's the most efficient way for enterprise software startups to grow, especially when capital is scarce? This question is at the heart of today's discussion and is particularly relevant in the current economic climate where venture capital isn't as abundant as it once was. Today, we'll dive deep into this subject, drawing on insights gleaned from the experiences of startups like Auto-GPT, focusing on enterprise data infrastructure, though the observations may well apply across various enterprise software verticals. Traditionally, most enterprise software startups have opted to sell directly to end users. This approach made sense in a past decade, characterized by zero interest rates and plentiful venture capital. Direct sales are crucial in the early stages of a startup's life, allowing for immediate feedback and rapid product iteration. This hands-on approach helps startups to quickly find their product-market fit, a critical milestone in any company's journey. Direct selling also enables startups to fully control their messaging, establish their brand voice, and set their pricing structures without intermediaries. However, once product-market fit is achieved, the next growth phase often involves acquiring new customers, a task that can be significantly accelerated through strategic partnerships. Despite their potential, many startups delay pursuing partnerships, mainly due to a desire to maintain control over customer acquisition. This hesitation overlooks the numerous benefits of partnership models, including accelerated growth, enhanced trust, and improved customer acquisition cost to lifetime value ratios, CAC/LTV. Selling through partnerships can dramatically reduce the costly investments required in building sales teams and marketing infrastructure. Even if a startup ends up sharing revenue with partners, the overall reduction in customer acquisition costs can make this trade-off financially viable. For instance, a 50/50 revenue share with a partner might seem substantial, but if it leads to immediate cash flow positivity and lower overall CAC, it's a win. This is especially compelling in an environment where venture capitalists have shifted their focus from growth at all costs to sustainable, profitable growth. However, partnerships are not without their challenges. One major concern is the potential loss of control over the sales process. Furthermore, not all partnerships are created equal. The success of a partnership often hinges on the real incentives for both parties to fully commit. Many enterprise software startups, traditionally reliant on direct sales, may find it difficult to create appealing propositions for potential partners, especially if they're accustomed to high gross margins that leave little room for revenue sharing. A true partnership requires aligning incentives in such a way that both parties are motivated to invest in the relationship. This might mean accepting lower gross margins in exchange for lower customer acquisition costs and faster growth, leveraging the partner's existing customer base and market credibility. Looking towards the future, a hybrid approach might serve as the best endgame strategy. Maintaining direct contact with end users is crucial for ongoing product development and understanding evolving market needs. A startup might choose to keep a small in-house sales team focused on specific segments while relying on partnerships for broader market penetration. This dual approach allows startups to leverage the strengths of both models, the direct feedback and control of selling directly, combined with the accelerated growth and efficiency of partnership models. The shift towards partnerships represents a significant departure from the way enterprise software has been traditionally sold. This change reflects broader economic shifts, such as the end of the zero interest rate environment, which has made venture capital less accessible. In such a landscape, partnerships offer a more capital-efficient path to growth. While this perspective is based on specific experiences and observations, it's a hypothesis that will be put to the test in the coming years. As startups navigate these challenging times, flexibility, innovation, and strategic partnerships may well be the keys to thriving in an increasingly competitive marketplace. Now, moving from the strategic adjustments in enterprise software sales, let's explore how music apps like Spotify and 99FM are enhancing user connections beyond just functionality. How can products be ensured to connect with users on a more meaningful level, transcending mere functionality to address their deeper, often unspoken needs? This is the central question being explored today, delving into the intricacies of defining, delivering, and ensuring the perceived value of a product. Let's commence with an anecdote that aptly illustrates the challenge of capturing true product value. There exists a nuanced relationship with Spotify, Despite its myriad features, curated playlists, and podcast capabilities, it falls short in certain aspects. The issue lies not in Spotify's offerings, but in how they align, or rather don't align, with the specific value sought from a music streaming app. For some, the value lies in the seamless discovery and enjoyment of music that suits various moods and activities without the burden of choice. Prior to Spotify introducing its mood section, an app from the 99 FM radio station resonated perfectly. It simply asked for location and activity, then provided playlists containing enjoyable selections. This straightforward approach, devoid of complex algorithms, delivered the exact value sought: ease and satisfaction in music listening. This experience leads us to the initial step in the value assessment framework: defining the value. It's imperative to grasp that a product's value isn't solely in its features, but in what it enables customers to achieve that they couldn't otherwise. Truly understanding this necessitates delving into the social, emotional, and mental aspects of what customers seek. In this case, it wasn't solely about music listening, it was about feeling connected, content, and in the zone without the burden of decision-making. Once the value is clearly defined, the subsequent step is ensuring the product delivers on this value. This often entails surpassing technical capabilities to comprehend and fulfill the user's genuine needs. The 99 FM app didn't require sophisticated technology to provide value. It merely needed to understand the situation and offer suitable music options. This underscores the importance of clarity in defining value, streamlining the delivery process, and fostering innovation within clear boundaries. The final step involves addressing the perception of value. Merely delivering value isn't sufficient. Customers must also perceive it as intended. Despite consistent use of Spotify and potential benefits it may offer, it fails to meet the specific value sought, resulting in less satisfaction. This disparity emphasizes the significance of evaluating value not solely in terms of usage or data, but in comprehending and responding to customer feedback. In conclusion, the challenge of connecting products with users on a deeper level is substantial. It necessitates a meticulous process of defining, delivering, and ensuring perceived value, guided by a profound understanding of customer needs and desires. Throughout this process, it's crucial to remember the significance of each step in ensuring products not only meet functional requirements, but genuinely resonate with their intended audience. Whether it's the simplicity of a music app or the complexity of a comprehensive software solution, the objective remains consistent: delivering authentic value that enriches the lives of customers. Thanks for tuning in to today's episode of Innovation Pulse. If you enjoyed our insights and are eager to learn more, the Enlight Me app is just a tap away. Expand your knowledge with personalized content on over 20 diverse topics, from crypto to health and beyond, all curated to fit your interests. Download the Enlight Me app now at the Apple Store or Google Play, or visit the enlightme.ai website. Stay curious, stay enlightened.